Hey guys. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit different thing for a video. I'm going to be testing my fire alarms. I do this month to month, so I'm going to show you what it's all about and what I have to do to make sure they're all working. So bear with me, I'm going to be moving kind of fast, so I'm just going to show what it's like testing these alarms. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it works out. Alright, so everybody be about ready here. Alright, here we go. That's that one going off. That one is going off too. This one in the back here is going. When one goes off, they all go off. It's pretty awesome. My basement one's going. This one's not moving. That one was going off, but they all kind of move off kind of quick, so that's what the test is like. So hope you enjoy this little video. It's just my first one me doing this, so thank you very much for watching.